Welcome back, guys, and in this video we're going to talk about how you can buy a stock. A lot of people don't know exactly how you can do this because back in the day you had to fill out so much paperwork, you had to have a financial advisor. It was a lot more complicated than it is in today's age. Today you can just type in investing into the App Store and a ton of apps will come up that you can use to buy a stock. And a lot of the platforms are great. So for the sake of this video, we're just going to assume you're doing the DIY method. You're just downloading the app yourself, you're investing yourself, you're picking your own stocks, you're doing everything. And really we're just going to cover 5 platforms that I think are good, that are reliable, that I would recommend using for not only beginners, but really anyone. I don't know how long this video is going to be. I think it's going to be pretty short because we're not going to go too in depth. We're just kind of going to touch upon them and move on. The first platform we're going to talk about is Vanguard. Vanguard's been around a really long time. It's really reliable. It holds $5.6 trillion in assets, so a lot of people trust Vanguard with their money. And as I said, it's been around a long time, so it's not going anywhere. It's not like you're risking losing your money or anything of that nature. I personally think Vanguard's the best for retirement accounts like Roth IRAs, those type of things. They're mainly transaction free. All Vanguard funds are transaction fees. I believe there are a couple of fees for buying individual stocks. I wouldn't recommend this if you're looking to day trade or swing trade or any of those things, but like I said, retirement accounts, if you're buying Vanguard funds like VU or VT Sachs, VT FIX, any of those I think are really good for this. The next one we're going to talk about is M1 Finance, which a lot of people are a fan of. M1 Finance also has 0 transactions, 0 commissions, which is good. And I really think you should be paying commissions in this day and age. It's not like years ago when everything had a commission and it was like $20 per trade. M1 Finance offers retirement accounts, a lot of people are a fan of. They also offer fractional shares, which I've talked about in previous videos, but if you haven't seen that, we'll cover it again quickly. So say you want to buy Apple for $300, but you only have $150 to invest, you can buy half a share of Apple, and it'll trade as half a share. So if Apple goes from 300 to 301, you'll gain 50 cents on that investment, basically. They also have this thing called, I believe it's an investing pie, which basically allows you to set up however much money you want to go to a specific stock. For example, say you have $100 you want to invest and you're going to put 25% in Apple, 50% in Amazon, and 25% in Microsoft. You just invest the $100 into your investing pie and it'll distribute that percentage to each stock automatically. So I think that's pretty cool. The third platform we're going to talk about is Webull. Webull I think is good for day traders and swing traders, but also long-term investors. I've read that it does process a little bit faster than the average platform, and they also have really good charts. So again, if you're into day trading and swing trading, or really any kind of technical analysis, this is probably really good for you. I have also seen that it is a little complex and it might take a little while to get the hang of, so maybe if you're a beginner, stay away from this one and go to one of the other ones on this list. But again, for the third time, day traders, swing traders, any of those, this would be really good for you. The fourth platform on this list, which really doesn't get a lot of love from other people that make these videos, and I don't understand why, is Fidelity. Fidelity also offers $0 commissions, nothing. They did $4.95 per trade for a while, but it's free now. You can also buy fractional shares with Fidelity, which is always a really big plus. I have my Roth IRA through Vanguard, but if I did not have it through Vanguard, Fidelity would be my second choice. I've seen great things about it. I feel like it's reliable. A lot of people like it. Fidelity's been around for a while. Everyone knows the name Fidelity, and I would recommend it personally. I have my brokerage through Fidelity, and I've had 0 complaints at all. The last one we're going to talk about here is TD Ameritrade. TD Ameritrade's been around a while. They do have commission-free trades now. It was $10 for a while, but now they're commission-free. TD Ameritrade's kind of like a combination between Vanguard, like a little bit older, and something like Webull. It's kind of weird. It operates a little bit older, but they do have great charts. They do have the Thinkorswim platform, which is affiliated with it, which is great for charting. I personally use it whenever I look at technical analysis, and it's fantastic. They have all the candlesticks, all the patterns, everything you could even imagine. So in saying that, this platform would be good for something like day traders or swing traders or something along those lines. These 5 platforms weren't really in any particular order, and I didn't really go too much in depth on them. I just wanted to get them out there because a lot of people don't understand how to buy a stock. So I just wanted to cover different platforms you can literally go into the App Store and type in and download and link your bank account to and just start investing. And in saying that, that's going to be it for this video. I know it wasn't very long, but like I said, I just want to get it out there. And I will see you guys in the next video, which we are going to cover stocks for beginners that you might want to buy. Bye-bye.